What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another video. Hey, Neto.
Yo, yo, yo.
Just came back from buying a bunch of dumbbells, trying to set up a home gym. I'll show you guys what we got. Well, it's kind of hard to see. They're all in boxes, dumbbells, a rack, barbell. You're gonna see a lot of working out shit with us. So just trying to set up a little home gym. I'll show you guys more when we unbox them. We unloaded everything. Let's see. You guys can see inside the boxes. 50. It's a good amount. I have a few left, but he didn't have them in stock, so I'm gonna go get them in a few days. Let's set the rack up and rack them up. We unboxed the rack. Now we gotta assemble it. Super hot. Turbo, wanna say hello to the vlog? Woo-hoo. Halfway done. No, what is it? 2/3 done? Yeah, 2/3 done. There's 3 pieces. Done. Now let's rip these boxes open and start arranging them. Need 1, 2, 3. We're missing a few. The guy didn't have any, well, didn't have all of them in stock, so we're gonna go back in a few days and get them. Looking pretty good. Look what Amazon just dropped off. Finally here. Let me take one out to show you guys. Here we go. So I got the all clear ones with the black housing. I didn't want this amber no more. I'll probably be continuing this video installing them tomorrow. As far as putting on the springs, like I said, those cut springs, I don't think I'm gonna end up putting them on. It's a little more work than I thought for me to do it. It's just not worth it for me to do it, and then if I don't like it or it runs completely like shit, it's too much work. So I probably won't be. I won't be doing that. But tomorrow I'll go ahead and continue the video with these headlights. So this is the next day, continuing yesterday's vlog. You guys can see better without the wrap now. Pretty nice. I like them. Let me go ahead and show you guys the dumbbells. Let me show you the ones that I did get and the ones that are missing that I will get in a few days, like I was saying. So we have about the 10s, about the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. So I should be going back for the 20s, 80s, 90s, and 100s. That's it. I will be going in increments of 10, just because I don't have as you guys can see, it's a little tight in here. I don't have the space to have them in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in increments of 5. I don't have the space, and I guess I don't really need them all. We'll just go up in 10s. It's cool. I do have to clean all this up. I do want to get a little bit more of gym stuff, not a little bit more. I just want to get a cable machine. That'll probably be the other thing. Once I get that cable machine, I'm probably gonna cancel my LA Fitness membership. Yeah, this little stuff, I don't have much, but it was expensive, and I think I have enough to do what I gotta do or work out. I will be trying to clean this, stack it up, and then the machine over here if I get it, but that'll be in another video. This is my NSX. You guys will see that eventually, but let's go ahead and put the car inside and start switching these headlights. got the car inside the garage. Let's go ahead and start taking these off. I'll take off these locks or whatever they're called. That's that. This one out. Here's the old one. Super crusty and ugly.
Playing from iPhone.
And this is still the old LED. I didn't replace both last time. Just because I knew I was gonna remove that one when the new one came in, so I didn't feel like doing it. Let me go ahead and take out this other one real quick. That way we put the new ones in pretty easy. So you take out the same two tabs, or I don't know what these are called. That's the only thing that holds the lights in. It's pretty easy, very easy actually. So now take off the corner lights. Of course, there's that one does not want to come out all the time. Let's see, got that out. So there's the other one out. Man, it's hot in here. I'll just throw these to the trash after. I don't know if these are original or not. Who knows? Let me go ahead and put the other ones in. There we go. Both of them are working. Let's throw them in. One thing before I throw these in, they are very affordable. I think I paid $60 to $70 through Amazon. They're nice. I mean, they're not gonna, I don't expect them to last long. I've had another set of these headlights before, and one problem that I noticed is they don't get sealed properly. I don't know if you guys can see that. They don't get sealed properly, so I think humidity gets in there and they start turning hazy or ugly very soon. I mean, I don't expect much of them. I just wanted something much or new compared to this thing, because this thing was ugly. I mean, they were already done. So as long as these last me 6 months, 7 months, I mean, for 60, 70 bucks, you can't really complain. But that's the only negative or con I see about these. Let's check them out before I lock them in. Yep, all good. Let's go ahead and lock them in place. Go. So I'm having a little bit of issue. I don't know if you guys can see. Nah, it's hard to see. But there's a tab where this is supposed to slide in, and it doesn't give me enough to shove it in there and lock it in place. Of course, nothing goes easy. Managed to get one of them in. This is another thing that I don't like about aftermarket parts, or you know, anything aftermarket. The fitment isn't like OEM, but oh well, gotta make it work. So I managed to get this one all the way fully in. There it is, but I can't get this one in. It's just, I'm gonna give it 2 or 3 more tries. If it doesn't slide in there, then oh well, I guess it's gonna have to be held by one. It's not going anywhere either way, but oh, there we go. Finally managed to get that one in. Let me go ahead and close the hood and give you guys a better look. Oh yeah. Old, new. Old, new. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights. There we go. Oh yeah. Now you can see everything. What do you guys think? Much better? Yep. No dings, dents. But well, that's gonna wrap up this vlog. That's all I wanted to do to it. Stay tuned on the next one. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.